Understanding hotbed in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, hotbed. If you're curious about what it means and how to use it, then stick around. First things first, let's break down the words. The term hot usually refers to something that has a high temperature, like a hot cup of coffee. Bed typically means a place where we sleep. But when you put these words together, the meaning isn't about a warm place to sleep. In English, hotbed is often used metaphorically. It describes a place or situation where something grows, develops, or is often found in large amounts. This can be a physical place, a group, or even a situation. For instance, a university might be described as a hotbed of innovation, because many new ideas and technologies are being developed there. Let's look at a few examples to understand its use better. 1. The city's vibrant arts district is a hotbed of creative talent. 2. This forum is a hotbed for discussions on the latest tech trends. 3. Some tropical rainforests are hotbeds of biodiversity, hosting a myriad of unique species. The phrase emphasizes the abundance or intense activity related to a particular subject or phenomenon in a given location or context. It's easy to misinterpret hotbed if you only look at the individual words. Remember, English is full of idiomatic expressions where the whole phrase's meaning might differ from the sum of its parts. So, don't be tricked into thinking hotbed refers to a warm sleeping place. That wraps up our exploration of the term hotbed in English. The next time you hear or see this phrase, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in context. We hope this has been enlightening, and as always, happy learning.